In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore your WordPress website from a backup in Hostinger step by step. If your site broke after an update, got hacked, or something just isn't working properly, restoring a backup can bring everything back to normal in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the entire process inside Hostinger's H-panel so you can do it safely and confidently. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and web hosting tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on Websites from the top menu. You'll see a list of all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the WordPress website that you want to restore and click on Manage next to it. Now that you're inside the website management area, look for the Files section in the left-hand menu. Under Files, click on Backups. This is where Hostinger stores your automatic backups depending on your hosting plan. Inside the Backup section, you'll see different types of backups available. Hostinger typically provides full backups, file backups, and database backups. It's important to understand the difference so you restore the correct one. A full backup restores everything, both your website files and your database. This is what you should choose if your entire site is broken or you want to roll back to a previous complete version. A file backup restores only your website files. This includes themes, plugins, uploads, and core WordPress files. However, it does not change your database content, like posts, pages, or settings stored in the database. A database backup restores only your database. This includes your posts, pages, comments, and WordPress settings, but it won't change your theme files or uploaded media. Now, locate the backup you want to restore. You'll usually see a list of backup dates. Choose a date from before the issue started. Once you've identified the correct backup, click the Restore button next to it. If you're restoring a full backup, confirm that you want to proceed. Keep in mind that restoring a backup will overwrite your current website data. That means any changes made after that backup date will be lost, so make sure you're selecting the correct restore point. After clicking Restore, Hostinger will begin the restoration process. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of your website. During this time, avoid making changes to your site. Just let the system complete the process. Once the restore is finished, you should see a confirmation message. Now open your website in a new browser tab and check everything carefully. Visit a few pages, test your contact forms, log into your WordPress dashboard, and confirm that everything is working as expected. If you restored only files or only the database and something still seems off, you may need to restore the other component as well. In most cases, restoring a full backup resolves major issues completely. And that's it. That's exactly how you restore a WordPress website from a backup in Hostinger using the H-panel backup tool. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and can save your site in an emergency. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another WordPress or Hostinger guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.